Hi, Anchal.
Hi Mehak,
Anchal, it'll be great if you could just introduce yourself, please.
I'm Dr. Anjal Sharma and I'm assistant professor in Chandigarh University. So I did my PhD in biotechnology and I have a passion for gymming and having a good lifestyle.
All of us are in Udaipur and having a really nice trip. And I just found you gymming there. So I was like, okay, let me just talk to her. So just letting you know. So we have this channel. I'm just trying to build it right now. It's very initial. बट हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग बच्चों के लिए ये क्रिएट कर रहे हैं लाइक स्टूडेंट्स दीज डेज एंड ऑल लव जिम. अब जिमिंग को लव करते हैं या इट इज एन एस्केप, इज इट रियली रियली रिक्वायर्ड? सो वी जस्ट गोना टॉक अबाउट दैट्स इट, नथिंग व्हिच इज लाइक फैंसी और एनीथिंग. आई जस्ट वांट टू जस्ट नो कि अच्छा यू वर जिमिंग एंड आई सॉ यू मेक लाइक सम circuit training or something. Weight training, okay. So if a person needs to just do it for 10 to 15 minutes, जैसे आजकल बहुत लोग बिजी है, तो वो 10 से 15 मिनट आप कैसे शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं बेस्ट?
कि अगर आप वेकेशन में हैं, you have to fix a time. It's just like a habit in your lifestyle. So अगर आपका lifestyle है कि you feel have a sedentary lifestyle, then you would do that. But I think अगर आप active रहना चाहते हैं, आपको like gymming, you like gymming, so you should fix a time for it. It's like a priority. So अगर आप vacation में हैं, then you can spend just 30 minutes going for a walk or a run. And if you are in the office, then you should fix a schedule for it. And after office hours, you can go for gym or you can do a home. So I think it's more like a priority or more like a lifestyle. It's not just pressure that you have to do this.
Okay. So that means that आपको अपने लाइफस्टाइल को इस तरीके से मेंटेन करना चाहिए कि आपको ये ना लगे यार मेरे को जिम जाना है. Okay. And how do you know, like someone like me, I get bored of gym.
I would say कि बोर तब होता है इंसान जब उसको इसमें इंटरेस्ट ना हो, right? So it's like I previously said, it's a habit. अगर आप consistently आप daily जाओ like for 30 days, then you will see changes in yourself. आपके fit को feel होगा that you have lost your life, you have done your body shape, and things. It has changed a lot. So I think it's not कि आप बोर हो रहे हो, but if you think that I have to be disciplined in life, then आपको वो habit बन जाएगी.
Do you also call this as meditation for you?
Yeah, right. It's some people call it a meditation, some people call it a therapy, some people call it a state. It depends on a person. So I would say कि meditation is a different thing, like yoga is a different thing, and gym is a totally different thing. So main purpose of doing all these things is to have a mental peace, to have a mental clarity. So you can, if somebody is doing gymming, so you can call it that it's their meditation or it's their
Nice.
to call it.